So today we're going to be installing and testing the Whitestone Dome Glass Premium Screen Protector for the brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this does say for the Pixel 7 Pro, but it works perfectly with the flat glass on the 8 Pro as well. This screen protector does use liquid adhesive, and if you're wondering why you would want to use liquid adhesive on a flat phone screen, let me tell you. Not only does it work well as a tempered glass screen protector, but if you happen to have some slight scratches on your screen, the UV liquid adhesive actually helps fill those scratches in, so when the screen protector is cured, you won't even see those scratches on your screen anymore. And you're also going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch test. The screen protector does also have a blue light filter, rounded off edges, and it's totally clear. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not the screen protector is right for you. And I know some people might be a little intimidated by the liquid adhesive installation, but I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it. Just follow my guide here and you'll be fine. So let's get started. So we get a UV LED, 3 vials of adhesive, an installation guide, some installation tools, some stickers that cover the ports and the buttons on the side of the phone, as well as the front speaker, and you get 2 tempered glass screen protectors. So one of the very first things you want to do is to plug in a power source into your UV light and make sure that it works. Then you're going to take your installation tray, remove the little bridge from the bottom, and then take this little plastic piece here, and we're going to place it right in the top here. You'll hear a little click, and you're all set. Then take this little black piece, we're going to put it into the little slot here, and just make sure that it slides in and out fairly easily. Next, we're going to take 2 of these felt pads, and we're going to place them on each side of the guide, just like this. So it'll end up looking like that. Then we need to cover all the ports and the buttons on the side of our phone with these black stickers that you get. So it should end up looking something like this. Then clean off the screen on your phone and dry it off. Then take your guide, making sure that the top portion of the guide here goes towards the camera on your phone. Just press it into place. And make sure that all these little arrows around the phone are actually touching the screen. Then we're going to take our speaker grill sticker, peel that off very carefully, then place it over the little plastic piece right here. And what I would do is just take this little black plastic piece and very carefully kind of press down on the sticker, because you want to make sure that it's covering your speaker grill. Once that's done, take your bridge. We're going to place it in the holes on each side of the guide, just like this. Then take one of your vials of adhesive. We're going to take off the pink cap, then place that upside down in a little hole here, and undo the black cap, and all the liquid adhesive will come out onto your screen. Once that's done, you can take the liquid adhesive vial out, put the cap back on, get that little black piece. We're going to slide it into the little slot right here. Get one of your screen protectors, peel off the underside, then just let this rest on top of your phone. So now what we need to do is we need to get this little bubble into the exact middle between these 2 arrows, and we need to get it as much of a circle as we can. Now you can do that a couple of ways. You can push down on the guide so the bubble starts to move, but the way that I like to do it is to use both hands so we can kind of manipulate it perfectly in the center. Once the bubble's in the middle in a circle, we're going to release this little black tab here. So then remove the black tab and just let all the adhesive go all over the screen. Whatever you do, do not press down on the screen protector while this is happening. Now, once you're sure the liquid adhesive has covered the whole screen, we're going to start the curing process. So plug in your UV LED, and we're going to cure the bottom, middle, and top for 15 seconds. All you need to do is press the button in once, and it'll start a 15-second timer. We'll move to the middle, and then the top. Then we'll remove the LED, and we're going to then very carefully press out our phone from the jig. I would start at the bottom, just press down with 2 fingers and work your way up to the top. Make sure there's no liquid adhesive anywhere on your phone. Looks pretty good. If you do see some liquid adhesive kind of on the edges, you can use your alcohol wipe to kind of clean that up. Just a couple spots that needed cleaning. Everything looks pretty good. Once you're done cleaning up your phone, we're going to start the final curing process. Now we're going to take our UV LED again, and we're going to cure the screen for 60 seconds on the bottom, 60 seconds on the top, and we'll do it one more time. So just press the button twice, and it'll count down 60 seconds. And 60 seconds on the top. And then one more time. Then when it's done, we'll just wipe down the screen one more time. Then you can remove your stickers. So the screen looks pretty nice. It does have a slight gap all the way around the screen, so it should be case compatible. As far as the feel of the screen, feels just like the glass on the phone, nice and smooth. As far as fingerprints, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but you can very easily just wipe those away. The edges of the screen are also rounded off. Now this is a full coverage screen protector, so it does cover your camera. Let's test out our facial recognition. Face ID works fine. As you can see, it's nice and clear. No issues with touch. Let's test out our fingerprints. Fingerprints also seem to be working just fine. No issues there. Let's look at our camera. Camera looks nice and clear. Don't see any problems there either. Let's put it in our case. So even in the case, it does still have a slight gap all the way around the screen, so it should be pretty much case compatible with most cases. So far, so good. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So first we're going to start off with a number 5. And we're going to move on to a number 6. And then finally a number 7. So if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch resistance seems to be pretty much on par with regular tempered glass. So again, installation for the screen protector isn't really bad. It looks intimidating, but if you follow my guide, you can definitely install it without any problems. The screen protector works fine with the in-display fingerprint sensor, and the screen protector also seems like it should be case friendly. And scratch protection is also on par with regular tempered glass. And like I mentioned before, this screen protector is great if you happen to have light scratches on your phone screen, because that liquid adhesive will fill it in so you don't have to look at it every day. So I would recommend the screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you want to remove this screen protector, you can also do that fairly easily. You just need to be patient. The liquid adhesive does not do anything to the screen on the phone, and it doesn't leave behind any liquid adhesive either. So what I would recommend doing is getting something plastic, not metal, something thin, maybe like this little piece of plastic here, or if you happen to have a credit card or a plastic pick just like this. All you need to do is simply get that plastic piece underneath the screen protector, and you'll start to see it start to release the liquid adhesive just like that. As you can see in the corner, it's already starting to lift. So now once you do that, you can take your credit card or something like that and then just put it underneath the screen protector and then just work your way all the way around. Very carefully. You don't need to rush. We'll slowly release the adhesive all the way around the screen. And then you can start to kind of press a little bit more in the middle and then very carefully lift up on the screen until it eventually releases. And as you can see, all that sticky adhesive is left on the screen. You might have a couple crumbs left over, but you can easily just pick those off. And as you can see, the screen is nice and clean, and there's absolutely no damage to the screen at all. It's still nice and smooth. So again, if you guys want to pick this screen protector up yourself, I will be putting links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out my channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.